Today is Thursday. Welcome to the channel. We're gonna do some maintenance and fix a couple things before we do more hay. I guess we'll be cutting hay tomorrow, Friday, so I'm gonna unhook this baler and go from there. Do we need to uncover it? No, okay. I am not super excited about walking through here, Rico. It's right next to the frickin' river. Creek, whatever. This grass is tall. Yes, please walk ahead of me. Please alert me if there's any sneaky snakes. They're too busy eating dang grass. Hey, move it or lose it. Sorry. Stupid cows. They knocked the pin off and moved the hydraulic line. They're silly.
Silly cow.
Silly little cows. They're so curious. They're like big cats. do you got there?
Valves for the thing.
Air conditioner.
Mm-hmm.
At least it came with O-rings this time.
Mm-hmm. Yep. My wrenches.
So the last time he worked on it, it appeared that it was leaking from these pieces. So that is the next step. And hopefully we'll have air conditioning again. We'll see. You okay, Rico? Holy crap.
Seriously asked the Halo that?
I did. It was a silly thing to do.
Mm-hmm.
Those cows are really loud.
Yeah, it's almost like one of them's looking for her baby or something.
Uh-huh. Marco.
Yeah.
Polo. She sounds very upset.
Yeah, it sounds like she's lost her
Kind of
cat.
in distress.
Mm-hmm. This is the low pressure in the back and the high pressure's in the front. Can you grab the pledge?
Oh, yes.
We'll let that sit there. We'll go ahead and grease this cutter. Okay. A little bit. All right. Remember, I think there's one down here somewhere. Let's get this one. Okay. Okay. Over here. down here. This is the one that says all right. Okay. All right. Okay. A little bit. Come on. Go. That's too much.
Sorry.
That's good.
You almost assume it must line up with that hole in the boot, but
Oh, wow, they might have done. All right. This one does. Nope, not there. All right. That's good.
okay.
All right. All right. All right. All right.
So he is going to grab Benny's tractor. It needs fuel and need to grease the cutter. To order a window on that. Right now he's got a Rural King bag over top of it. Some of this grass out of here. It won't put the cutter down if we don't get it cleaned up. So we'll give it a whirl and see what happens.
Dig that mud out from in there where to walk in there, Jess.
Okay.
I don't think this thing may have to. Get up there and
You don't think it has any greaser? Well, usually that's what that hole usually is for, isn't it? Should be one on every U-joint, you'd think. Should I move this?
Yeah.
Thank you, Rico.
You can dig that out now.
Okay, we found the grease zircon here. It's up in here, but it looks like it's got plenty of grease in it, so. Hey. Hey. Should I let Rico back out of the truck?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, you can get out. Come on, buddy. The people that own this property came through the gate with their dog, and Rico was super excited to say hi, but he's really friendly, but you never know if someone else's dog is friendly, so he loves everyone and everything, except cows. Except cows, right, Rico? You like to bite cows. Yeah. Yeah. This particular mower is belt driven, so it's a little bit different than the others that he's had. And that did work. He has air conditioning in the tractor now. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it fogged up in there where he was running it, so.
Need a bigger hammer. Right now. Something driving. That. Those. I think it's that next one down. That'll work.
crap is dive bombing us? Cicadas or something. This giant bug. There's that screaming cow again.
This will be better than nothing.
I see what you were trying to do now. I did not understand.
Oh, I need my flowers up there, please.
That is it for today. We're gonna go ahead and park the tool trailer and leave it here for the evening because we'll probably, well, we might need it. Like he said, if we take it home, we'll need it. And if we leave it here, we won't. So I would rather leave it here and not need it. That sounds way better. So we're gonna drop it and then we're headed home for the evening. Not a super exciting day, but all necessary stuff that you have to do in order to be able to cut hay tomorrow. So here we are. Have a great evening. God bless you and appreciate your support. Have a good day.